One thing I understand, nobody wants to come home to water where water shouldn't be. That's the day Chuck was having when he called us. And here's the part people don't think about. A little leak you ignore for a few days can quietly turn a $1,000 fix into a $10,000 mold problem. Water's sneaky like that. So Chuck didn't waste any time, and neither did we. We got our team out right after he called. We got out fast, dried everything out, shut the problem down before it could grow into an expensive problem. The whole way through, we kept Chuck in the loop. No mystery, no surprises, just here's what we're doing and why. He ended up paying a small fraction of what that mess could have cost him. But here's the best part. Chuck got to relax, knowing his family was safe and his home was in good hands. That's what we do at Cornerstone Mold and Restoration. We make sure that your family and your home are safe. If water or mold ever shows up, give us a call, 864-864-0028.